A cave explorer squeezed through a razor-thin gap and discovered a hidden chamber stacked with grain sacks. The moment he opened one, he understood why the entrance had been sealed for decades. While mapping a remote cave system, Jeff Horton noticed something unnatural: a crude brick wall concealed behind a collapsed rock slide. The mortar was crumbling, but its rushed construction suggested someone had sealed the tunnel on purpose, using a pry bar from his pack. Jeff broke through the masonry and forced himself into the narrow chamber. Inside, thick dust coated several burlap sacks. With barely enough space to breathe, he crawled past discarded gloves and a rusted lantern from the 1970s until he reached them, expecting cash or contraband. Jeff sliced into one seconely to find dirty clumps of raw wool. Uneasy, he sealed a sample and left the cave. Back in daylight, he brought it to a forensic lab at the State University. When the results came back, Jeff froze. The wool was contaminated with anthrax spores. Investigators uncovered the truth. During a deadly 1970s outbreak, a local tannery had hidden infected inventory inside the cave instead of destroying it. The bacteria remained dormant for decades, till Jeff disturbed it. The dust he inhaled carried millions of lethal spores. Authorities later sealed the cave permanently with concrete, arriving in full hazmat suits. Jeff spent weeks in intensive care, fighting for his life, one of the few people to ever survive the cave's deadly secret.